Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's jump into the charts. I'm going to show this one. 2 weeks ago tomorrow, we settled below a 2-month channel bottom that is now at 253.62, anticipating at the very least a 2 to 3 week sell signal. Took about 2 days down to the 213.65 5/8 Fibonacci, and that is a 5/8 Fibonacci based in the August low against the September high. It's still a weekly support level, can contain weekly selling pressures, and above which we can rotate up back to the 253.62 channel bottom potentially over the next 2 to 3 weeks. And if you've played that, if you're long Tesla, you can hold that above 213.65. But I did also mention in the same breath, upon the sell signal below 253, this formation. That, bear with me, I got to let that go. That when we did settle below this 2-month channel bottom, it did allow, and I'll use the word allow, the mid 170s as kind of a 1 to 2 month target. Now, there's no clarifying signal for that unless I think we close below 213.65 today. So if you've been long for the last week and a half, and we close below 213.65, my suggestion is at the very least to exit that long position and consider playing the short side, whether you're shorting Tesla outright or reaching for 175 strike out of the money puts that don't expire for at least a couple of months. I see this as kind of a 3 to 5 week play. So you may go 2 or 3 months out on that expiration date. You may have done so already when we settled below the 252.32 channel bottom almost 2 weeks ago, because I mentioned at that time we could see within 2 months perhaps the mid 170s. There is no clarifying sell signal from my perspective anticipating the mid 170s unless we do close also below 213.65. And if we do today, for instance, 203.87 in reach, perhaps by Friday's close over the next several days, a 191.76, the low settlement price back in early August, would be a 1 to 2 week target. And once again, 3 to 5 weeks, 175.86. Until then, you can bottom pick this market at 213.65. On the way up, I do have 225.78. I don't know if we'll see this level today. I do see it as likely above 221.33. So in terms of the day trade, it's still buying 213.65. 221.33 is the high settlement price that was put out about a week ago, and we can top out there on an intraday basis, even fall away perhaps for an hour or 2 or 3. But pushing through 221.33 does indicate 225.78 intraday, where we can place a daily high, and from here fall back, for instance, back into the mid 210s once again. But if we close above 225.78, first off, I wouldn't see that as a big surprise, because we do see that holding above 213.65, we can rally back to 253.62 over the next 2 to 3 weeks. And that's becoming more like 3 to 5 weeks, given the fact that 213.65 is a static level, but 253.62 is rising on a daily basis. So it climbs into the 260s over the next couple of weeks. So, what is now still a 2 to 3 week target, it was more like 1 to 2 weeks a week ago. Now it's more like 2 to 3 weeks. If we close above 225.78 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, the 253.62 formation in reach, where we could, by that point in time, top out through all of November. If you're not long already at 213.65, then your next get long over the 2 to 3 week time frame would be a settlement above 225.78, and then I'd see 233.27 within just a couple of days, 253.62 within 2 to 3 weeks. Is there anything else to say? I don't think so. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We offer a 5-day free trial. You'll get our 2 stock picks a week. You'll get our daily Triple Q, our daily SPY, our weekly Apple, our weekly S&P 500, and our weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis. I'm going to leave it at that for Wednesday's Tesla report. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Thursdays. You have a great evening.